Today I want to talk about a problem that you could potentially face with your Mavic Air 2. And it's a problem that will occur if you're using the 8K hyperlapses. It doesn't happen in the 1080p hyperlapses, but it does happen in the 8K ones. For those that do the 8K hyperlapses, you got to make sure that your computer or whatever device you're using to play your video on has the processing power to process 8K video. If you don't, I have iMac 27-inch iMac 5K and a MacBook Pro, and it doesn't handle the 8K hyperlapse videos. When I shoot the 8K hyperlapse, when I try to view it on either one of my Macs, I get two gray box screens. And if you look, you can take a look right here. You can see it. Now, the workaround for it, you could still view your hyperlapse using a program on a Mac. Let me take a look here. If you have S Player for the Mac, you can still view your hyperlapses. You can see the 8K video fine on that, but you still won't be able to edit them. I know a lot of people wanted to, mess around with the 8K hyperlapses, but Final Cut Pro won't take them. You'll still get those gray boxes with it. We just wanted to give you an update on a potential problem that could be bugging your Mavic Air 2 if you're trying to do 8K hyperlapses. As always, be safe and have fun flying.